Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to verify account in Wise. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first thing that you will do is simply log in into your Wise account, and after that guys, just head to the upper right corner of the screen where your name is displayed. Just click on that and a drop down will show up, and just simply go ahead and click on settings. So guys, inside the settings, you'll see the option email settings. So just simply click on that. And from there, guys, start by verifying your email. And from there, Wise will send you a verification link into your mail. And after that, just click the link in your mail to complete the process. And the next thing that you should do is connect a bank account. So just simply go to connected accounts, and from there guys, just simply select add account, and from there just choose your bank location like the United States, United Kingdom, or Canada. And from there, for instant verification, just simply sign into your bank account and Wise will then link your bank. So another way to verify your account as well is simply create a recipient. So just simply add a recipient, and from there just enter your bank details, your full name, and the currency you want to receive. And from there, your Wise account will be verified within a day or up to a week depending on your location. And that's it. Your Wise account is now verified and you are ready to receive money. And if you have any question, you can just simply contact the Wise through their help center. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.